In this video, we'll reveal the hidden potential of a one-bedroom derelict flat in vibrant Hackney, London. Perched on the top floor of a semi-detached Victorian house, once home to upper-middle-class families, it is now ready for a complete transformation into a functional two-bedroom apartment. Recently listed for auction, the flat needs a complete renovation, making it a perfect canvas for a smarter, more livable design. The flat measures 50 square meters. Currently it has one living room, one bedroom, a small kitchen, a bathroom, a central lobby with the staircase entrance. The main door and entry lobby are one floor below. From there, a narrow staircase leads up to a central hallway. On the right, a small bathroom. A small window brightens the hallway, and there is additional storage. Next, the largest room overlooking the back of the building. At the front, a slightly smaller room but with a larger window facing the main street. In the corner, a small enclosed kitchen. At 50 square meters, the property is generous for a one-bedroom flat. This opens up the possibility of adding another bedroom, creating a home suitable for a small family. Let's explore some possible layouts. The first and easiest option is to keep all existing partitions. By moving the kitchen to the largest room, we can create a bright, open-plan living and dining area. The bathroom remains where it is. The freed-up kitchen space becomes a small, single bedroom, suitable for a child. The master bedroom stays large and comfortable. This layout requires minimal work and would be the most budget-friendly, particularly if the existing walls are load-bearing. In the second layout, we will move the bathroom to the center of the flat. While it's always nice to have a window in the bathroom, it's not essential. This move frees up space for a new kitchen, which can be opened directly into the living area. And it allows both double bedrooms to sit together on the left side of the apartment, creating a neat, separated sleeping zone. This option would require remodeling almost all of the partitions. Whenever you relocate a kitchen or bathroom, drainage becomes a key consideration. Always ensure that connecting a new bathroom or kitchen is possible. This flat conveniently has two existing drainage points. In older English houses, drainage pipes are usually placed externally, alongside or at the back of the building. Here, the relocated bathroom would require a water supply and new drainage to connect to the existing system. In the third option, we move some of the partitions, which would allow us to create a large space on the left side for an open-plan living and kitchen. The living area now sits at the front of the building, making the most of the large window and natural light. Now, there are two double bedrooms on both sides of the apartment. It also keeps the lobby minimal and efficient. In smaller flats, you want every square meter to work for you. Now let's focus on the last layout in more detail. In the main space, we want to define two distinct zones, the kitchen and the living area, while still keeping the overall space open and airy. One way to do this is by placing a fixed counter between the two zones. This serves as both an extra worktop space for meal preparation and a dining table that comfortably seats up to 6 persons. The separation can be introduced in other ways too. A shift in cupboard colour or wall finishes, a change in flooring material, or a ceiling bulkhead above the kitchen line. In this video, we're focusing on the layout rather than the final interior design, but there are countless ways to create a visual break between two spaces. It might be through the look and location of furniture, the textures you introduce, or a contrast in colours, as long as it ties in with the rest of the scheme. With the kitchen zone clearly defined, the living area can take on its own character. Neutral-toned furniture will help keep it calm and separate from the busier kitchen backdrop. A corner sofa fits neatly into the far corner, while the gap between the walls is ideal for open shelving, perfect for books or display items. On the opposite wall, a long, low unit can serve as both a TV stand and a display surface. Here, it's simply two IKEA Besto TV benches placed side by side, an affordable and adaptable solution. The master bedroom sits at the quieter back of the flat. It holds a double bed, shelving tucked into the chimney recess, and generous full-height wardrobes along the opposite wall. The second bedroom could be arranged as a compact double. Still, in this option it's furnished with a single bed against one wall, plus cupboards, a combination of cabinets and open shelving, and a study desk. A great setup for a child or teenager to store essentials and display personal treasures. We've kept the bathroom in the exact location, but replaced the tub with the walk-in shower to make space for extra storage. The new wall conceals cisterns and pipes, giving a cleaner look and making the room easier to keep tidy. The sink in the original layout faced the window, but we decided to move it to the side, allowing for a mirror and better movement space. And because the door is set slightly away from the wall, you avoid the feeling of stepping straight into the sink. And lastly, replacing the solid wall with a railing allows light from the hallway window to spill into the space, making it feel brighter and more open. You don't always need a bigger property to fit a growing family. Sometimes smart design and a fresh layout are all it takes. For more details, check the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more home transformation ideas. Thank you for watching.